How to add auto captions in CapCut. If you have a video and want to add captions that match your speech, here's how to do it in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Select the video you want to work with and add it to your project. To generate auto captions, make sure the video itself isn't selected. Then, go to the text option at the bottom left. From there, tap on Auto Captions. Keep in mind that there are both free and paid options available. If you're using the free version, you'll see how many uses you have left. Next, choose whether you want the captions to be generated from the video's audio or a voiceover. In this case, we'll select video. Then, pick the spoken language, for example, English. You'll also see different caption templates. Scroll through them and pick the one you like. Once you've chosen, tap Generate, and CapCut will automatically create the captions for your video. If you notice any errors, you can easily edit them. Simply select the caption, tap on it, and modify the text as needed. You can also drag and reposition the captions anywhere on the screen. Once everything looks good, tap Export, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.